Renewable energies are the future, but there are challenges. Sun and wind aren't consistent in producing energy, leading to fluctuations in the grid when availability and demand of renewable power are not in sync. A scenario developed by Fraunhofer Institute shows what the residual load profile in Germany might look like in the year 2050 with 100% renewable power. In this scenario, there are periods, highlighted in red here, where the electricity grid faces a deficit, meaning demand for power exceeds the supply of renewable energy. Conversely, there are even more and longer time spans, shown in blue, where there's a surplus of electricity in the grid as renewable energies are available, but the demand for electricity isn't there. Biogas, on the other hand, offers a stable energy source that can provide electricity whenever needed. However, biogas alone isn't perfect. While biogas plants are mostly carbon neutral, as the CO2 released is initially captured by plants, this CO2 still re-enters the atmosphere when the biogas is burned to generate electricity. Additionally, today's biogas plants are far from efficient in producing electric energy. At Reverion, a young and rapidly growing clean tech company based nearby Munich in Germany, we have identified these imperfections, and we are committed to addressing them. We are a dynamic and motivated team, fully dedicated to leveraging the entire potential of biogas and paving the way for the much-needed energy transition in Germany, Europe, and globally. I am Maximilian Schmidt, responsible for sales and marketing at Reverion, and today I'm excited to make you familiar with our innovative technology. A technology that not only stabilizes the energy grid with renewable power, even during shortages in wind and solar energy, but also has the potential to revolutionize the biogas industry. It all started with one simple question. What if the power plant had been invented today? After years of research and development work, we believe that we have come up with a quite brilliant answer. And this is what it looks like. It's a green box. Reverion plants are highly efficient. Thanks to their unique system design that utilizes solid oxide fuel cells at the core, they can generate electricity from gas with 80% efficiency, which doubles the efficiency of current gas combustion engines that are in operation on biogas plants today. Reverion plants are designed to be flexible. During times of oversupply of renewable energy, they can run as electrolyzers and produce green methane, which can be fed into the gas grid or used to fuel CNG buses, for example. If, on the other hand, there's a shortage of renewable electricity, our plants can switch operation modes in under 1 minute and start producing green electricity with the very same fuel cells. It's essentially a highly efficient combined gas-to-power and power-to-gas system. Reverion plants are plug-and-play units. They are easy to ship and install anywhere you have biogas or renewable energies available on site, and they are modularly scalable. They come in commercial sizes of 100 kilowatt and 500 kilowatt power generation and can be combined just as required. Finally, Reverion plants are capable of CO2 negative operation. In biogas applications, they capture pure biogenic CO2 on a large scale, which can then be further processed industrially or even stored long term. Our technology could be the missing puzzle piece to a 100% renewable energy future. And we are not stopping here. While ramping up our production of the biogas technology, we are also developing a new long-duration energy storage solution. This system stores energy in hydrogen, working seamlessly with solar or wind power to provide electricity when it's needed most. With a groundbreaking round-trip efficiency of 75%, it's ideal for storing energy for a couple of hours, days, weeks, or even seasons. Revisiting the scenario I mentioned earlier, if enough of our units are deployed across Europe by 2050, Reverion plants could cover the vast majority of fluctuations in our electricity system. We are just getting started. Our mission is to spread this technology comprehensively and provide Europe with 100% climate-positive power. Thank you very much.